Hey, this is long division of a polynomial. I will use the example x to the third minus 27 divided by x minus 3. Let's put the dividend x to the third minus 27 under the division bar. X to the third plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 27. You want every place to be accounted for. We have the placeholders 0x squared and 0x. Next, the divisor will go on the outside, x minus 3. All right, long division has a repeated pattern, and there are about 4 steps in each cycle. Let's begin by looking at the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor and divide those. X to the third minus x. That will be x squared. X squared is a part of our answer or quotient. Next, multiply the x to the second by each term in the divisor. Bring that result underneath. X to the third minus 3x squared, aligning each term with its like term. Now the x to the second up top, it does not matter where you put that. You want to move it over above the x squared term, that's fine. This result is subtracted. Carefully subtract. This is a place where many students make mistakes. X to the third minus x to the third equals 0. We expect that, otherwise we picked the wrong value here. We made a mistake with our division. And 0x to the second minus negative 3x squared will actually become positive 3x squared. That's one set of steps in the cycle. Bring down positive 0x. If you want, you can bring down the negative 27 at this point. And the first term becomes 3x squared divided by the first term, which will always be x. That gives us 3x, positive 3x. Brought up top. Let me relax for a second so you can check that out. Next, this 3x times each of these terms in the divisor will give us positive 3x squared and negative 9x, which again will be subtracted carefully. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. 0 minus negative 9x becomes positive 9x. And bring down the negative 27. Okay, let's repeat this pattern. 9x is the first term divided by x, which is always the first term from the divisor, and we get positive 9. That is a part of our quotient. Multiplying 9 by each term of the dividend, 9x, and 9 times negative 3, we'll get positive 9x. Those should always match up, and we get negative 27. Subtracting yields 0, which means we have no remainder. That gives us x squared plus 3x plus 9 as the quotient, and there's no remainder. That's an example of long division with polynomials. Please comment any questions or concerns you have about this process. I look forward to seeing your comments and responding to them. Also, let me know what content you want me to share for Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 to assist you. Take care.